Science with Solomon and Barry again.
What do we need for today's project?
Oil, a jar full of water, and apple seltzer.
And food coloring, right?
Yeah. Add the oil. I'm going to add the oil into the water.
Okay, let's do it.
Whoa. Looks weird. Looks kind of weird.
Okay, well, that's good.
You see how the oil doesn't really mix to the water? That's because this is less dense and this is more dense. It's because it doesn't connect because it's kind of like a line right here. So some of more.
You want to add some food coloring in there? You can do more drops.
It looked kind of weird.
Do like probably 8 drops.
Let's do like 8 drops.
A what?
Yeah, keep putting more.
What? One of them is staying at the top. Come on, dude. Don't stay there forever. You don't have to stay there. Look, some of them are staying at the top. Looks like there's syringes there. Looks like they're dividing. You're making them... What? The extra drops are falling in. The extra drops are falling in. They're not really mixing. Put apple seltzer in.
Just 1.
Just 1.
1 tab. Doesn't really do anything. So it's kind of like the apple seltzer is losing its energy. There's some bubbles that are going down. It's kind of glowing. You see how it's like a volcano? And there's big things coming out of it? That kind of looks like giant rocks. Ah! It's kind of like a tornado now. Whoa! It's sucking up everything.
What else is happening? What does it look like?
Kind of looks like tornado.
Tornado?
Yeah, because of this right there. That's
What's that stuff that comes out of volcanoes?
lava.
Does it look like that?
It kind of looks like it's pink up here and it's red down here. Kind of glows. It's glowing. Mom, it's glowing. If you want it to happen again, you can put more apple seltzer. Whoa, kind of splashed out a little. You see how it's happening again? The apple seltzer still is active, even though it just started. Now it's just tornado on my side. Well, there's lots of tornadoes.
What else does it look like?
Oh no. Kind of looks like a volcano. You know what makes it look like a volcano? Because it kind of looks like it's like and these are rocks coming out. These are kind of like rocks right here. This is kind of like an explosion. Where's the volcano?
I think that's it. What's the name of your show?
Science with Solomon and Barry's done. Oh, look at that really big one. Put it to the top.